Today, I want to show you how simple it is to install a 4-inch recessed light in this hallway. I already took out the old recessed light. Now it's time to wire the new one in. Stay till the end. There's a bonus feature with this recessed light that I'm excited to show you. And just like that, that's how simple it is to install one of these 4-inch recessed lighting. And the bonus, as you just saw, there's a night light feature. So if you don't want the direct light coming down and you just wanted that ambient lighting at night, you could turn it off, wait 2 seconds, turn it back on, and it will flip over to that ambient light. Now, the nice thing about this as well, there is 5 different color tones that you can do, all the way from bright white or warm tone, depending on what kind of mood you would like your room to be. Definitely recommend this product for anybody that is looking to do an easy upgrade to their recessed lights. Go out, grab a pair today. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.